Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. I'm telling you, this is the only place where you can get authentic Malay food made traditionally. In whatever ways you guys want to do it, this is the place guys. Come, let me show you. You can grab our chili fried bun to enjoy it as an appetizer. You can grab our bergedil and enjoy it with any sort of dish guys. You can eat it with sambal, you can eat it with your rice, and with any other dish. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is our new Nasi Padang OTG guys. Our Nasi Padang on the go beef rendang with rice and potato cutlets. Our Nasi Padang on the go lemak cili padi with rice and potato cutlets. Our Nasi Padang on the go ayam masak merah with rice and potato cutlets. One of our best selling kuih, which is potato samosas. Our best selling ready to eat dish, mutton rendang. Our best selling ready to eat product, beef rendang. Our ready to eat sambal goreng pengantin hari-hari hari raya guys. So guys, this is the only place where you can get a variety of authentic Malay food made traditionally, only at Pondok Abang guys. So head down to our frozen mart at 374 Bukit Batok Street 31, unit number 01214, or simply go to our website www.pondokabang.com and have all these delicious, fast, convenient and delicious products sent over to your doorstep. Don't wait guys. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.